Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. So first of all, you have to open Play Store on your phone. Download and install the X browser. After the installation, open it. Then type Google Help in the search box and press search. Then you will see Google official page appear in front of you. From there, click on the Google Help option that you can see. Now you will see multiple options on your screen. From here, you have to select the Google account option. And then you will land here. Now scroll down a little. Now here you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it and then you will land here. And now here you will see administrator. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now here you will see can't sign into Google account. Tap on it. Now you will see a bunch of options. The first option is forgot your password. If you have forgot your password and still have access to your recovery email address or recovery phone number, you can select this option to recover your account. The second option is you forgot your username or email address you used to sign in. If you have forgotten your email username or email address, you can select this option to recover it. Third option is you know your username and password but you can't sign in. If you know both your Gmail username and password but are still unable to sign in to your account, you can select this option. The fourth option is you think someone else is using your account. If you think someone else may be using your account without your permission, you can select this option to review your account activity and secure your account. The fifth option is you are having trouble with two-step verification. Tap on it. Now you will see a few more options on your screen. Now see the sixth option from the list. Your phone is lost or you can't use it. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now here you will see tips to complete account recovery step. Tap on it and then you will land here. Scroll down. Now here you will see avoid getting locked out of your Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now here you will see fixed problem. Can't sign in. Tap on it and then you will see go to the account recovery page. Tap on it and then you will land here. Here you will see Google account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Google account that you want to recover and then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see here two options. Update password, continue. Simply tap on update password and then you will land here on password sense dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all you have to decide your new password and then you have to confirm your new password and then tap on save password. Here you can see your password was changed. Now quickly you have to go to security and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email. This will help you recover your account more easily in the future if you ever forget your password. Thank you for watching this video.